Hey team, this is Leo. This is a quick tutorial on how to register domains or renew a domain for our member. Many times we're purchasing domains for members for their websites or their email or what have you. So first you would go to SimpleSafe and log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in as me. And SimpleSafe of course is safe.schnerd.com:8086. And once you get inside, you can see all of the members' credentials, but also here we have the Nerd credentials. So if you click on Nerd credentials, it'll take you to this group. And then inside this group, if you type domain, you're going to find our domain registrar, which is manage.truedomains.com. So we'll log into that. And we log in using this email. Paste. And then we'll do this password, copy it and paste it. And we're going to log in as a reseller because we want to see all of the different accounts that we have access to. So it'll log in, and then the first thing it does is shows us a little dashboard that kind of says what's going on. Our available balance is like we're in the red by $1 because we haven't added money to the debit account. Funds that are being in use, the locked funds, I'm not exactly sure what that means. I think that's funds that we've committed to renewing accounts, and then they're in the process of renewing, I think. Collect from customers, it says we need to collect $12 from our customers. Total receipts is $2,513. That's how much money, virtual, real, that we've used to create domains and renew domains and all that jazz. Now, a quick way to do this is if you want to search for a domain, you can click here and type like one we were talking about this morning was talking about behavior. One of our members has this, Jim Johnson. And then you do search and it'll bring you over to it and say whether it needs to be renewed or not. I've just renewed this one for a few years so that we would get it off our plate and that Jim wouldn't be upset. So I went ahead and did that very quickly. Something that you can do, though, is look at products and list all orders. That'll show you all the domains we have purchased on behalf of other members. So you can see all these different domain names. We have 37 that we have registered right now. If you click this expiring, like when are they expiring, you'll see the next ones that are expired. These are expired. They're in red. These are in black, so they're okay. They're in gray. But this tells you when they will be expiring. Like these will be expiring very soon. And our members are getting emails about this, and they should be contacting us. I'm also going to change the hosting at nnerd.com to send a message over to the support team so that they're aware that these things need to happen. Probably should create a ticket for them also so we can send them to help@nnerd.com so that they get a ticket created in them help desk automatically. But let's go ahead and renew this one. This is for Mary Hart. So I'll click on it. It's going to say it's expired. And I'm going to tell it that's cool. I want to renew it. So I'm going to click Renew Domain Now. I'm going to pick a few years. Actually, let's just do 1 year. There's not a real advantage to doing more than 1 year. No cost break or anything like that. Selling price is $6.6 cost. So it's telling us that we're going to make $1.46 or something if we do this. Oh no, that's if we include privacy. So the total cost here is $9.09. But when you click renew, it's going to actually create an invoice of $12 that would go to the member. Now we can add funds, or we can go ahead and say execute this and click here to execute without receiving payment. And I think this will just go ahead and pay it. Yes. And then we go back to our confirmation page that says it was renewed out to 2018. If we want to look at we can look at our billing summary. That way you can go and see how many funds we've added and those kinds of things. We can look at list transactions, and the list transactions would show all of the things we've done, like renewing, talking about behavior, and then renewing this cruising site for Mary Hart. And there's the invoice, and everything went through okay, so it's renewed. So that's how you would do it. Thanks a lot.